Hi, welcome back to the second half of our online story time on ducks. I'm Marcia Hickey, the children's librarian, and of course the first thing I'm going to show you is our sign of the week, which of course is ducks. Remember a couple weeks ago we did bird with just your pointer finger and your thumb? Well, duck, because the beak is so big, is your four fingers and your thumb, and twice, closing it twice. Duck, like quack, quack. Duck. All right, that's an easy one to remember. And we're going to practice it with our song. We're going to do a verse of Old Macdonald using ducks. All right, are you ready? Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. We are going to do a craft with ducks that relates to our story, Ducks Away. And here it is, Mama Duck with two of her ducklings. And what we used was a cupcake liner. I had yellow, but you can use white because there are white ducks. You flatten out your cupcake liner, you fold it in half and glue it together. And then for the ducklings, I use the little cupcake liners. Again, fold it in half, glue it, and that becomes the body of the duck or the duckling. To make the wing, you just cut triangles. I cut it into thirds to make the wing and glue it on. The head and the neck, it looks just like a bend in the pipe. That's all it is. I did it freehand. And the beaks are a diamond shape. And fold it in half and then glue it. And I use googly eyes, and I just drew some clouds on white paper and cut it out. I use a whole blue sheet and then a dark blue for the bottom, and have your child cut this out. It doesn't have to be wavy or anything, but it's good practice cutting a line. So it's a mother duck craft that you can make. Very simple with things you have in the house. We have coloring sheets. A mama duck with her duckling, a duck, a baby duckling hatching, and from the book by Mo Willems, The Duckling Gets a Cookie, we have a coloring sheet with Pigeon and the duckling. Now, of course, we have lots of links on our website that relate to ducks. First, we have information about local zoos, and I did want to tell families who are listening that the Wareham Free Library does have museum passes to the Buttonwood Zoo. Information is on the website, or you can just call the library and the librarian will give you more information about it. We also have links from National Geographic about mallard ducks. We have Ducks Unlimited about ducks, geese, and other waterfowl. We have Living Legends from the San Diego Zoo, and it's an interactive zoo game that's fun to play. We have a link for Animal Facts for Kids, information about zoo animals. And last but not least, we have from the San Antonio Zoo, interviews with zookeepers about their jobs. I hope you enjoyed the story, learning about the craft, and have a ducky day. Thank you for listening.